And on the second level, you get to see the fall of man, the descent from the garden to Babylon, and man's basic descent, man and women's descent into madness. As you have the cities like Rome, more ancient, built the same. Man's rebellion against creation. Adam's sin brings death. God provides a replacement sacrifice. Cain and what he did to his brother. It's just giving you a storyline of how man abused God-given abilities, and then he descended into darkness as they built cities and just kind of defied the natural order of things and started worshiping serpents and other idols.